Hello, guys. You're welcome to Tech Solutions with Tom. I know you guys have missed me. I've missed you also. Or to my new subscribers, please, you're welcome. Just make sure that you click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Also, if you are my returning subscribers, thank you. Thank you for supporting my channel. All right. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to turn on your two-step verification for your Gmail. Okay. Two-step verification for your Gmail is another way of securing your Gmail from being hacked. You get all right. So let's go into it. So on your phone, I'm using an Android phone. So on your phone, you're going to see Gmail. So click on it and let it pop up. Then you're going to click on this. Click on this. That place that you have the icon. All right. So and then click on Google accounts. So you wait, you allow it to load, and then you move down to security. So click on security, and as you can see, scroll down to where you have how you sign into your Gmail. So here, my two-step verification is off. So I off it in order for me to do this video. Okay. So you click on it, and then you allow it to load. Allow it to load, and then you can see use your passkey to confirm it's really you. So click on continue. Here you're going to be making use of fingerprint or face or screen lock. So I'm using screen lock, so I'm going to use my fingerprint. Okay. Yes, now I can turn on the two-step verification. So good. So done. So anytime someone is trying to log into my Gmail and I'm connected to the internet, you're going to get uh a pop-up from your phone on your phone rather. So um this is how you can turn on your two-step verification, okay, in order to protect your account. Thank you very much. Please, if you have not clicked on the subscribe button, please do that right now, and also click on the notification bell, like the video, share it with someone. I know that the video is going to help somebody. Thank you very much. Until next time, peace out.